Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. In today's video, we are doing a whole house reset. I'm talking every single room, and we need it bad. We were not home this weekend, and so this is the true condition of our house after a weekend of just being busy and living, right? Livin. So I thought I would go ahead and show it with you guys. It probably will not be the most aesthetic video of mine on my channel, but that's okay. It's realistic, it's raw, and it's authentic. So without further ado, let's get to it. I don't know about you guys, but for us, if we miss even a day or two of laundry with two kids and my husband and I, it can put us so far behind. So I'm going ahead and getting a jump start on the laundry so that hopefully we don't fall too far behind this week. I have really bad ADHD, so one of my cleaning techniques that I do is I try to focus on one room at a time because I'm notorious. Let's say I take a glass into the kitchen, I will get distracted and start doing dishes. So, one of my favorite tips and tricks is focusing on one room at a time. Does anybody else feel like they're 10 times more productive during the day once their bed is made and they have gotten themselves completely ready for the day, or is that just me? I do want to apologize to you guys. I know I typically post on Mondays and Fridays, but there has been a little bit of a delay because we had family in town. And then, if I'm being completely honest, I have just been feeling really unmotivated lately. For some reason, the algorithm is not algorithming for me, and YouTube has just not been pushing out my content. And so I just really kind of lost a little bit of motivation with that and I got a little bit discouraged, but I am back. If you guys have any video recommendations or ideas of things that you guys want to see coming soon at the Cook's Cottage, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I always read my comments and I absolutely love chit-chatting with you guys down there. So be sure to drop a comment if you have any video ideas or requests. I truly can't believe how quickly the school year is upon us. Our kiddos go back in about 2 weeks, and I feel like we just got in the swing of like our summer schedule, and now they're going back to school. Does anybody else feel that way? I think it's just wild to me. But we are very excited for those fall months and the holidays. If you guys have been around the Cook's Cottage, you know we are holiday obsessed over here. So I'm excited for the fall season, but I just can't believe how quickly summer is coming to an end. Okay, I need your guys' help settling this debate in our household. My husband and I are so opposite in so many ways. One of those ways is I fully wash the dishes before I put them into the dishwasher. I basically use it as like a sanitizer after everything's been cleaned. And my husband is like a rinse and go and throw in the dishwasher kind of guy. What do you guys do with the dishwasher? Are you guys fully rinsing beforehand? Or are you guys just like little rinse, and throw it in? I have to know. We were just talking about this at a family gathering of who in the family does it which way. And not that anybody is even curious about this, but because I'm editing and I'm super hyper focused on it, the blue stuff that's coming out of the toilet is a tank toilet bowl cleaner. We have super hard water around here, so we have to use all of the tips and tricks to get rid of these hard water stains. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If this is a video style you like, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you guys want more of it. And then comment down below letting me know what day of the week do you guys like to do like your hard reset. If you guys are anything like me, I'm cleaning all throughout the week, but like I like to do a hard reset for the week, typically on Sunday. So let me know in the comments. And if this is your guys' first video at The Cook's Cottage, please consider subscribing. We do so much fun home decor. We do a lot of fun seasonal stuff with the kiddos, home decorating, just really daily life and lifestyle vlogging. And I would love to have you guys here for the long haul. So please consider subscribing. But that's going to do it for this one. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.